aho na midhimbu wingi wabaka milingu kwimana mu bibunga banetesa kulinyenyeta chabo na kulija kamena na kulikathamena omochamajwi aje anatundu kuli uje nemana mumunga ya United Party for National Development walidhina lya mwata makai uje na thimu tuyange chingwe uje nemana mumunga yabaka NRPUP kwimana lifuti walidhina lya Brian Mundubile kuthimu tuyange chingwe IK na mbunga yendi kubaitambwile mukwija mukulisholola kumina mwitambela ya muno Western Province uje nemana mumunga ino ya NRPUP muno Mongo Central walidhina lya Tombitombi IK netesa kulinyenyeta na kukathama chulalo na kukomoka hamajwi ano ane athimu tuya makai aje anamwethange chingwe anena kulitepa na meme anena kayengu mkatika vanu kwimana mu province yoshe umulalo omocha munango uje ubatumbula tonse Pamozi Alliance muno Western Province mukachitwamo uje mwata Greni Chingumbe ike na thimu tuya na kulanya kutupokola nge chingwe na hamo na baka chibunga chabaka kwendesa kwangula baje babatumbula Electoral Commission of Zambia ECZ muwi ngechi bathekuwa na bingila vya kukwatha omocha majwi ano chona thimu tuya nge chingwe majwi ano akea kanena kayengu anena kulitepa anena na maluodhi mukati kabanu bibunga cholalo aja kemika kwimana na meme kutepesa banu omochamiati cholalo na kunena banu kulitepa mu mitambela bino bana bithimu tuya bino inaputhimbu ya muchibali uje nemana mu chibunga chabaka United Party for National Development mukubithimu tuya bimba bino bana binongoro na ngechi kethulwa kulibanga oloni lunamutula muchibali kulimunima ya kuthimu tuya kumajwi aje anathimu tuye mutowe kafwaya midhimbu mkushula itolilileni.
Remarks by UPND parliamentary candidate for Mongo Central constituency, Makai, during a campaign rally in Mongo have sparked mixed reactions among political players in Western Province. Makai recently said in a video that is circulating on social media that the NRPUP presidential candidate Brian Mundubile and his team are not welcome in the province. He also said he cares less about those who support Mundubile. Reacting to the remarks, NRPUP parliamentary candidate for Mongo Central constituency, Bright Tombi, has condemned the comments, describing them as tribal and provocative, saying they risk inciting violence.
For being careless and for inciting people to turn against this Barrosland into a territory of chaos, which we have enjoyed peace for a long time, we are not going to accept. And I condemn this to the highest order. I'm appealing that any normal human being of Mungu's conscience should not adhere to that. Honorable Mundubile is a Zambian citizen. And since this country is a democratic dispensation, he has got the right to contest and compete with others.
And Tonse Pamozi Alliance Provincial Chairperson Glenn Chingumbe agrees.
Someone seeking for public office is now the one threatening people with violence. He's the one saying he's going to deal with the people. How is he going to deal with them? The UPND talks of not condoning violence, but one wonders what it is that or why they are parliamentary candidates in Mongo Central is the one now calling for violence.
But UPND Mongo Central Youth Chairperson John Chinga is defending the statement, saying Makai was only airing his opinion.
He has not done anything wrong. He's right. He knows what he was talking about. So it's not about maybe some violence remarks, but it's just a call to those maybe who don't know about UPND government. and his new dawn. This is not, this is the government, the ruling government. So, Makai was trying to defend and to make Mr. Finger in the straight line, whereby he should look back.
Meanwhile, Prince Akashamba Lewanika said despite Makai's remarks, NRPUP party will go ahead with the campaigns in Western Province.
We are prepared. We are campaigning. My program is to go to the Copper Belt, then proceed to Solwezi, then come to Lukulu, Kaoma, Mungu, Kalabo, Sinanga, Susheke, and end up in Livingstone.
Nchomanyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, Mungu, Western Province.
Vakamunga ya kukenga makevi na kununga sana mitambela ya mumembo na makevi vanetesa chishoti chabo omocha kujena vanu wingi na mitambela wingi kuija mukununga sana na meme kununga sana cha mitambela punene mu mitambela ya mu Western Province. Kuya na maju aje banatumbula baka Rural Electrification Authority kuya na binjubo na meme kuya na binanga bije bananunga sana banathimu tuyange chingwe binanga byakupa 976 bije bibananunga sana na meme chithinganyeka chabo chinetele hakweta nge chingwe banapandele kununga sana binanga na meme binjubo bakweta 100,000 ngechi bino bibanapandele kununga sana na kuja witha makevi muno mutambela wa Western Province bino banabisholola mu hathimbu ije banatumba mene kuchiwano chije banakala nacho kumutambela waliwanika General Hospital umutambela wa Mungu halithathe lya 14 kondamema Vakamunga ya Rural Electrification Authority Southern Region kwitila muli uje wapantwa mayabo mwata wazingwa mungala na thimu tuya kuchiwano chino ngechingwe chimona na mebe thinganyeka bino binamwethele ngechingwe kutwalela lutwe mukwatha kuja witha makevi kumitambela na kuwana banu bathekuwana bukwathi omocha kuja witha cha makevi mukuwana bukwathi kumakevi ano bidhibo mukushula itolilileni.
The Rural Electrification Authority (REA) has expressed concern over the low uptake of electricity connections in Western Province, revealing that only 976 households have been connected despite 100,000 connection opportunities allocated to the province. Speaking during a stakeholders meeting at Lewanika General Hospital in Mungu, REA Southern Region Manager Engineer Waziga Mungala said the meeting was convened to identify the factors contributing to low uptake of electricity connection and to engage stakeholders on possible solutions to improve access to the national grid.
We as REA have a set target to increase access to electricity in the rural areas and achieving universal access by the year 2030. We've heard that we can't do this alone. We need collaboration, we need to engage with all the stakeholders in the province. As we are implementing these rural electrification projects, there are certain things that we do. What we want to see is a universal access. People have access to electricity. We implement these projects and connect so that all the rural areas in the province are connected.
Meanwhile, ZESCO Western Zone Engineer Operations Lloyd Daka said the low number of connections is not because residents cannot afford the 300 connection fee charged by ZESCO, but because many households lack the financial resources needed to wire their homes before they can be connected to electricity.
Maybe poles have been installed, the lines have been constructed, and people are not paying or are not connecting. It's basically an issue of sometimes people failing to do their wiring. So maybe we would ask that maybe for REA to include ready boards on this project, to install ready boards so that we can just be connecting that service cable.
And Western Province Administration Assistant Secretary Mobitelela Sililo said increasing access to electricity in the province is crucial, as it has the potential to unlock economic growth across key sectors including education, healthcare, agriculture, and small businesses.
For Western Province, increased access to electricity is critical. It has the potential to unlock growth in agriculture, agro-processing, fisheries, tourism, and small-scale enterprise development. These are key priority areas for our
Kutemba Kamiji reporting for Bulozi TV News in Mongu, Western Province.
Mukulinga ngocho twalaho na midhimbu vanu vanalikathamena na kunena chishoti chavo na kuyongola ngechingwe omobika munango wa ngubulu uje wakunyungilila vyakulya na kulanda bimbuto ubatumbula Food Reserve Agents vachili na kuonua kutambeka ndando ya kulanda bimbuto vya ino mwaka kukutunda kukuteja cha mwaka wali wa 2026 kweta na mwaka ono wa 2027. Mukulinga ngocho kuimanena baje banemanena bandimi mulifuti lyoshe vatumbula Zambia National Farmers Union vanathimu tuyange chingwe kuonwa kutambeka ndando ya kulanda imbuto vya uno mwaka vinanene chishoti cholalo vinena kulinyenyeta kubandimi na vanu baje banakula hela mukupanga na vyakulya na mime bimbuto bije banateje. Mukulinga ngocho uje nema na mumunga yabakamilingu ibatumbula Citizens First na thimu tuyange chingwe vino vinanene kukabayo na mekupaya kubanu baje banabanda mena bukwafi kwitila mu bimbuto byabo cholalo na nangulangu bulu ngechi yafe kutambeka bwathi ndando ya kulanda bimbuto bya ino mwaka ngechi banu bawane mujemba napandele kuyoyelamo na kuyoyetha binanga byabo bidimbo mkushula itolilileni.
Stakeholders have raised concern over the Food Reserve Agency's delay in announcing maize and paddy rice buying prices for the 2026-2027 marketing season. The Zambia National Farmers Union says it is disappointed that FRA did not announce the prices during its July 13th media briefing, despite expectations from farmers and earlier guidance from President Hakainde Hichilema. In a statement made available to Bulozi TV, Zambia National Farmers Union President said the delay comes at a time when farmers have recorded a bumper maize harvest of about 5 million metric tons, leaving them vulnerable to price fluctuations, exploitations by private buyers, and cash flow challenges. The union, however, has welcomed FRA's position that the maize for the strategic food reserve must meet moisture standards of below 12.5%, but has urged the agency to urgently announce buying prices, provide a clear procedure timetable, and payment schedule. Meanwhile, the Citizens First Party has also raised concern over the delay, with its presidential media team member Bangwe Navile describing the silence as frustrating, calling on government to ensure prices are announced without further delay.
Fellow citizens, the delay in announcing the maize floor price is unacceptable. Our farmers are frustrated, uncertain, and vulnerable to exploitation by private buyers. The Food Reserve Agency's silence is eroding trust and weakening livelihoods. Citizens First and its president, President Harry Kalaba, we stand firm with our farmers. We demand swift action from government to protect the farmers by ensuring clarity. Farmers feed the nation. They deserve fairness, respect, and timely decisions.
Meanwhile, FRA board chairperson, during a media briefing on the 13th of July 2026, says maize purchases cannot begin until moisture levels fall to 12.5% or below, as buying grain with higher moisture content can lead to spoilage and aflatoxin development. He said the agency has completed preparations for the marketing season and will announce the prices once the necessary once the necessary conditions are met. For Vlozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, Mongu, Western Province.
Pakali futi tukakwima kama ndondolika tukeluka lalo na midhimbu ikwabo twalene hona kutolilila kuchitandi cha midindime cha Vlozi TV.
They once built a machine, Chipo.
What machine, Shikulu?
A machine for borrowing. Let me show you. In the beginning, it looked like progress. Borrow a little, build a little. A road here, a clinic there. But the machine was always hungry. Each loan bigger than the last. $3 billion in money we do not print. They were told to stop. They fed it more. In November 2020, the machine broke.
So it stayed broken?
Not forever, Chipo. But it did not fix itself. Someone had to walk back into that room.
Voting is one of the few moments where we all have a voice.
One person, one vote.
No titles, no status.
Just a choice.
It's not about doing nothing.
It's about showing up.
Because your vote matters.
It's easy.
It's important.
It's ours.
Count me in.
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 Did you know that as a member of the public, you have the right to complain against content aired by any radio or television station? Did you also know that all radio and television stations have an obligation to address your complaint? The first step is to write to the station not more than 3 months after the broadcast took place. It is expected that the station will respond satisfactorily within 14 days as per the IBA Act. When making the complaint, state the grievance you have against the station. State when the broadcast took place, who the broadcaster was, state your name, and contact details for further communication. Where you have not received any response from the station or you consider the response to be inadequate, you can then escalate your complaint to the Director General, Independent Broadcasting Authority, IBA, Mass Media Complex, Alikinkata Road, PO Box 32475, Lusaka, or email complaints@iba.org.zm. IBA, promoting professionalism and enhanced standards of the broadcasting industry through effective regulation.
Vlozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in Mongu of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority, IBA, and carried by Topstar on DTT Channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921 or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Buyuana compound off Kagrava Road in Mungu. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Jimitambula mthimbu ya mchibali tutwaila hona mithimbu lalo. Vaka munango na meme munga ije ya vaka kwinda mabwe atheo baje batumbula Emerald and Semi-Precious Stone Mining Association of Zambia bake banalombo kungubulu cholalo banalombo nabaje bakambibunga bya milingu ngechi bathe kupangela hamo na minango na meme bibunga bije bya kwinda mabwe banathimu tuyange chingwe omo mukutunga mashiko aje alina kunena kulithila munima minango imo omo cha kutwalela lutwe na meme omo cha byendeka bimo na bimo mashiko aje abalina kutwalelaho mukwanunga sana kwitila mubaka milingu kwitila na mukupangela hamo na mukulikumia kubipangi bije bana kuthimutwia mukuthimutwia kubaka kwaola mithimbu kuchitandi cha mithindime cha Bulozi TV kwitila muli uje mukakwimanena munango uno walithina lya Victor Kalea na thimu tuyange chingwe bantu ama banemana mu bibunga bebaka milingu banapandele kujenjuka kubikula hetho bya makuli cholalo banapandele kumonange chingwe banapandele kupangela hamolika ngakukala mashiko amo basaka kununga sana banapandele kupangela hamolika na kutondethetha muje banapandele kupangela mukupangela hamolika na bibunga bije binemanena bibunga bino ngechi bafe kupanga mamubwa kwa kujeneka bukalu Kalea na thimu tuyalalo ngechi ngwe bithimbu bimo mithimbu imo ije katundu kwaka kwaola mithimbu kuyapandele kuya na meme ya kwendeka likangocho oloni inapandele kumwetha na kunena bimona bya banu mukupangela hamolika kuyana buya lutwe bwalifuti dhibbu mkushula itolilireni.
The Emerald and Semi-Precious Stones Mining Association of Zambia, on behalf of gemstone miners, emerald miners here in Lufanyama Emerald Restricted Area, would like to appeal to political players that as they want to make pronouncements on their agenda towards the emerald industry, they should not just make it rhetoric. It should be something that they have discussed with us and asked us and understand really what we need. We know that all the previous governments have failed us as emerald miners or gemstone miners because they hear or they want to put in action things that they feel is right for them, but they do not want to understand what we appeal of them to do for us to succeed. It's like we celebrate much more of foreign entities extracting our resources and exploiting our resource without any benefit. It is important and imperative that political players from the ruling party to any other political party aspiring to lead this country should understand that the resource that is in these grounds belongs to the people of Zambia. And if it belongs to the people of Zambia, we, the people of Zambia, need empowerment, and empowerment that is, that is able to help us contribute to the national coffers of this country. So we appeal to every political player that is making any pronouncement in terms of emerald mining or gemstone mining to consult us. We appeal that we have the answers. We have the, the way how we can improve this industry.
Mukumanta cha mithimbu munga ije inemanena kulilongetha batumbula National Council of Students Union bakebo banetetha na kutambeka kushwenetha na kukwatha president Hakainde Hichilema mukumwimika na kumutabetha mukwimana cha uno mwaka banathimu tuyange chingwe kwimana cha ino mwaka banayongola nge chingwe atwaleleho mwafakuli bije bya nalingi banamono na meme banawanaho nganyo na meme banawanaho bukwathi kuyana bije bibanatumbula banathimu tuyange chingwe baka kulilongetha kulibingila bije banawanyena kungubulu ije cholalo kwitila mulintu ama walifuti unobene mukuthimu tuyako baka kwaola mithimbu kumtondo walelo kumutambela wa Lusaka uje muka kuthona kwimanena munango uno walidhina la Vincent Sakala ike na Shangala uyalutwe na meme nashangala buntwama wa UPND ngechi bunene mukunena bije binakwasaba paka kulilongetha ngechi bya kubanenela bya ku mambongo aja kulikwasa mukulya cholalo na kubanenela bilongetha kwa kujena fweto na bije byoshe bije binakwasaba bunene babaha mukubana bipangi na bikwabo bino binanene kujundula buyoye bwa babaha na kuwana ngechi ngwe babaha bathe kubanongonona uje manena mungaino na thimu tuyalalo ngechingwe ngubulu inapandele ku likwasesa babaha na kumona ngechingwe babaha kuwana bingila bya kulilongetha na kubakwasa na lumbongo ngechi bathe kukwasa mitambela na meme bathe kukwasa binanga byabo na kuwana bingila bya kwana babaha bipangi ngechi bathe kujunduka na kuyakulutwe bidhimbu mukushula itoli lileni.
They are friends. Surely, Zambian people, isn't it an emotional topic that today we are seeing our young girl here, who is a beneficiary of free education, aside from that free education which they are benefiting from, the young person is also given school feeding program, which is giving them hope, renewed hope. An investment in the education sector is an investment in the economy of this country. An investment in the education sector is an investment in the health sector of this country. Yeah. For the first time in the history of this country, the mighty Levi Mwanawasa University is receiving bursaries. Because the President of the Republic of Zambia has said, let us educate our nurses. Let us educate the young people who aspire to be doctors. Surely, members of the media, can't we for once, members of the public, can't we for once support such good initiatives? Some people, when the young people come out publicly like this, say we're endorsing the candidate of President Hakainde Hichilema, they'll call them names at Takuta. Hey, Takuta, because we are being given meal allowances. Yeah. We are being given bursaries, which you, the same people, scrapped off from us. We cannot be coerced or moved by the noise which is being apparently purported on social media. Social media we will not be persuaded from persuasion and lies. We are objective. We, the young people, today, we are union leaders across the country. Union leaders across the country. We are seated with our friends, whom the President of the Republic of Zambia has said, these are my friends. Members of the media, members of the public, are we going to be misled by the people who are telling us Vintu Vadula, Ungawadula, and people who removed skills training? Today, as we are speaking, if you go to on the copper belt, the mines have been revived.
Pakali futi tunete ku mamanithelo amidhimbu tumititha mu mitwe ya midhimbu lalo. Babaha baje bali mchibunga cha United Party for National Development balila uje wapwile mwato wa mkachitwamo mu munango wa UPND walidhina lya Freddy Masoka. Kwendeka cha mwata makaimakai chinena kulinyenyeta na bishoti kubanu bali mu bibunga vya Bakamilingu mu Western Province. Baka kupangela hamo na kulikwatha hamulika na ngubulu balinyenyeta omo ngubulu kutila munango wa FRA kanda batambeke bindando vya kulanda bimbuto vya mwaka 2026 na 2027. Munakana kukenga na kutolilira kumidhimbu mundaka ya mbunda chitandi cha mindindime cha Blows TV. Blows TV kulijundula cha Bloi. Kuminenela byoshe kufuma kumbongea Mungu. Mwasa kutuwana hachitandi cha Top Star Channel 120. Punene mu mitambela ya Mungu, Limulunga na Lolo, Lusaka, Chongwe, Chilanga, na mitambela ikwabo lalo ya Sinanga, Kalabo, na Alfunsa, na mitambela ikwabo lalo ije na dhenguluka kumitambela ino. Mwasa kutuwana lalo habithandi vya YouTube, ngocho beni na Facebook, na bithandi vikwabo lalo. Halutu ya mga kukwata kumakina ngechi mathe kutukenga na kututolilira wino mwata Ashbel Sibulakabi muka kutanda midhimbu ya Ruben Bisenga. Twashangala twakanda komani.
I told you that this episode we are visiting Mandanga Market and we have made it happen. I am so excited today because I can't wait to hear what the people of Mandanga are going to say with these two questions that I have for them. Nalipo zoze penye, kuza beki kuli. But once the papa fazo litila 13th August. Kili kama nzo mbata kulwa miezeze shangwe. Kuza wabeli kikuli. Kizore pilifyo mbata kubona. Mamsika wo Mandanga kuli business ya mina ikule kizole pili. Nani mutaza kizole really? Let's find out. I can't wait. You can only be part of this program when you tune in to Bulozi TV on Top Search channel 120. Never Facebook, Bulozi TV. Stay with us.
Market yauna itezea masila mateleti hakuna mwa market yauna mo uyokupanga kwa maneba woma mundongo kona konseli kutusela una ba market kwa utusela kuboshaloni nibona mazazi ake banyikwa kona makansela bauna bakalenge baliteni Bachwa pe kona batakupuma kuli lubabotele chale minda bamula muntu selweza chwani market ye itezi kwa maloni anatanga mo abaufi kwa teni ne basali kutimanga maloni kwa teni kwa chale fape bakume pume lukabakola chwani baba mashenya luna akale kale anoke ne babotanga ko luna nebe baba muna ufika afumana baba afumani pateni kibasili chale no mwalu batali chincheo kwa teni nani businessman yako lile mwali tapiga fresh kubobucheto kona konile kanga litapile
Blackjabe market mo pale kwa mwana kwa masilako na ali hatuzifa matweleti hakuna mabwana ne mazenga hizi mwa market mo ruseli wanyanda fela kwa balukupa makutu wa ngola maloni bani ngola maloni runani ule kwa kasi ngane kwa kuweza na makosa ile ya maloni yao baba aozi kibaba ule kuna bachile mali yao runa kuna koji kulifaka fama twanda jamaa na sasa jaba bilaya mashanya hata kutufama chembele rufali ole rufali ndiala rufa mina baba nyezi ni ajoe kwa kuota bakaketa kulikafuba kubona baba kuota papa kaila ngabeni basawali mashanya kafa ba yobota takwinu na lwa bilaya na lwa tusani runa ruzimwana mwakula ze rufumana akuta mashanya kutikika kashfo wetu baba mba wala mashanya amara runa kutiru yo aberekera joe yo kona ruhanga doza kubeleka kulijaba rufa rufeka ofela runa kona kunyanya market yana itezi na matwele kwa masiko za mandanga hakuna ena ulifa ma business rate kona tuso alibonde la mashenya hata kwa market ya ro utwanga fela kwa ngesoma nyemu hata kusikiza examiner yebule kimashere mashenya kona rutokwa mashenya kumutwa ali teni zale na kafela zako za konta kwa kuna mashenya hayo barutima ro utwa mukiti tukasola pa na sekonda
Shamo kimwamandanga market mwambola nina wamina sister wamina kezela mina sombo kwanu kwa mandanga market moko na masaluni yaka bilu itumeza ulu kwa Bulozi TV kasapoti mtie kwa kayo na lubata kwateni muso kudieza kwateni empower ambone moma market ya na mandanga market yeki yetuna mwendimane kambe kizale zeba bulalanga kuli Capital City mwendi yende nelokaye bara kuli kona Capital City ya Mongo kona mwone market yetu naye aluna ma toilets aluna zengata zeroka kona kubulela kono mina banyi baba ipapata kuli makona kuyema maliziba muno kupotelanga chaba samandanga aluna ma toilets fa lukaitumela ulu mwenji kone baditeni ne lukonile kubeyi wakateni ni mezi fa lunani kono zesa toko ala kizengata mapotelanga mama market mwabona noti kubatanga fera kulilo mibotele aluka feza ko mibotera amuluba baredi lwabiraira kakwemera amandanga market mutaye muno potanga mbone kulizebo zeza lakini kama niru narubata kunganga kwa maloni ale mufanga fera baba inzikale baba nanuhile kale sina mbonera mu hakuna zerite runaruinzi mwa market so lubata kwateni muso moreza kwateni empower kona kulirwazwera pili nitumenzisha noti nikabulela nge kale kapina ke babulelanga kuli ambata kuboterwa mupuma chava amtawina maruli baramawe
kina Prudence Nanu ni musali walikwasha yaitisa mwatu business itoto alibyana kona kuli kwa muso lukupa kwa teni kuluna basali babase kwitisa chwana mukone kulweza kwa teni empower neke kwa maloni fela Nike maglanti fera mwalufa kwa teni kuinuna lukone kuchimbulela kateni mabasi aluna kone kukwanisa kucha halalu kazazi kona kuli kumina bamuso lusami kupa hape kuli mandanga kimusika omutuna hulu kuna nilizoro pili zoru bata ni kumina baba ipapata kaofera lutokwa kuli musika waluna wa mandanga uzwele pili ukeni siwe mi ube musika weza kulineke mutu hata ufita mateni ube musika okomosa otabisa sinamukena mwali tapi moma standard tapi mezi bisula ohafela kona kuli litapiza kizetu na lulu wakona kutakaza kulichera litapizende kono lizizi za lukataza minilibia na zalo lifumana kulizaba affected moma musika kona kuli toka wateni kuli zoropili ya musika wa mandanga ihuliswe alukoni kuikona kuihulisa luna lunosi kono katuso ya mina muso amuso ale kwa mazoho
Nsfeka ba World Bank balufile klasi elimu ya mandanga ya fakanyonyo kono mane vale baeza kuli bana ni malabu luna muboni kilika za bya batukafera chokolo mto tubabira la kwa lumaika patwani ndeni lero kuweza siko number 3 so uganda bika grave kakuzwa fa nebe balutifera patugeme tukata utoha kuna kafa kilika za bya batose so baba ipapata papa ndi bakataka chenu kulia unachwani batuse bazwafa ni mundi mushemi sike baba nyani aliko nukulumira tetwalo batuse bazwafa nge kwa luluziele ile then last market take yetuna about 15,000 ndanima huse usifa kwa ki huse famu se fale ki huse next fale ki huse famu se fale na bakeries fa ki market yetuna about 20,000 totomayizi na toilet yale wa guest house hali wana kuna watu ngiba papata so batu babona ngeke unaluli kuba kapatwani mtoi papata ro na toilet ambu na market y'abanyanga nebe bi ni fera kuli lubeye fa kono kuti kimoni pepwa wo mama ndanga kimoni pepwa nebe bi ni fera mungobo kuli basali abyange kuti ni papa kika zero bila last pale basikoba mandanga bakena ma UCZ nani na next was call after school next kiplot yaka bakena ma UCZ machechi bani 25 years CDF ingeba lufaba muso ibere kirengi amwe kwa chechi kwa bachechi bali machechi ya UCZ after school next kichechi kwa mama kenda bali school so bitumezi kumi na bakandekera makandera kwa lipia za michwale kalipia za na zero halupumi wa kulikeka za lugoni ya pepelo amoso na kutsa nebe bini fa nebe kapula kuli batu bene ndo makete bazile kabisi baji bashop ba kulufafa batu bazi akako nebe kuplana chale kizengata
aila luna lwabilaila ba market ya mandanga nani market ya zima market mwale ile kisati tapi chwe pilailo ya luna etuma kansela betu tunabazangele kuze mtu babotele kubahaka hoba MP bose tunabazangele unoni bakebo ba MP ngachibanezana kubitika banakuti sali zimo lyabo banahiruka muntu mwana yo banakutungira nzibo toilet ya hiyo kayakuli ngachima kumona bakwa tubindele number 1 bakubanga kusingimika toilet amba tunge nzibo kubanga toilet kabuno ni yetu banatuongesele sheuta matoilet yayi tulina kuyande tumachembele tunapano ukakalamuze mu market kubanga kulinga muze tangwa noho ukakombokera 18 hours ambako ibunzi banakala kuli president wetu tunakumuzanga ambe hano president wetu tukwasa kuli kulungama ngo tu president wetu mukwako wa mandanga uze wakufumaha za haringe wakuyasi kola libu zimota kaze sina kuya kukuzi buroni kuze kusikola mana yo mwana sikola na babala mota ikutunda bati lingaye kuze ikambate mwana sikola ambaye mtu ale kuchipatela bana basikola hamandanga makilasi ahengi ayo bamungu bana kukobera ku UCZ ke kubana kukobelela banakala kuli bakakobelela muchechi yetu na market yoku bakwatu bana kutambula maloni abimbongo ma market yazi bana kutambula maloni etu mu mandanga katukwaziba maloni bahaka kuli kuba atwala maloni bekulinga achitarifi okukuba kwetu bana kuya banafu bati ngo tusemu ngechimwe watu tuma marketeers.
Kwa mbona mukatalimera pale. Hakuna ndio bakuyumbera masira. Masira biyumbera kwa mula kwa binzi. Wanafama toilet fa haruna ma toilet fa ruziele ile. Nebo kukena kibutu kwa mambo aruzibiko luka matera. Tumateranga mwale kubogudu ni mwana mazi abakia. Kuya materi mwale bali tukwacha. Fuku mana balata kwa uruleli. Je luka pila chwani. Kona nto Sabube niluna vamandanga lwa bilala kutoka ala kilabe ukwale maluti wao mana nili moto na kofita kwale kono alifiti bishabati la litezi mwale chwala amu utuse kona pila lelo yaka
roba tawateni mwanda kiambeza kutati niluna una mayusi uchimbuke wate neba kale baifela balubela ale baifela lwakavata plus zoru kupa wateni ape zakwenda kutati mwa market yaluna mwale komoka uti shelter ya market yaluna mwale yale abale kisata kwa fera na litape mwale hakuna neba zezana kwani so norukupa wateni boluka kupa kuti babako nakuluwezezani babako nakuluvera ngana kuti balutuse wateni ndibona vale batuse wateni Jale neba na zenika kuna kukupa nuru ape balubona wateni nuru amayusi ape aramo mamandaka kolo zenika kuna fera kukupa maso yakuna
business ye eno na tano anya anya ndio kupa wa government to boost kwa tena jale baba baluleterera ona problem maketanga baba fabanya nya jale alukupa government na baye nyako ni munyako inge babangola luna walumole kwa tena walubuste kwa tena kwa business kaluna mazini kupasha
akulizero batia polisi majaki tibabanga tawo ni likezo zese pesa mumatanga bizengata tu spatela ubata kuliwa siben paka ufini batu nakuli batu bakula matuki ya mangata
so sero katwa kutibala awe kupata bazo bakolo kupezeza mika mutanga kamula wakafa choti market inapi mama ketiazi kwa yombela na masira kuna kamula wakafa tudezi sabaka bisoka tenu abisa dala masira kwa mangata andisa umbeli matwele taluna mwahaya ngolo hizi chwa nafa la hangelo kutoka na maka kama kasi na manya hapa ya hapo ya kwani kwa kula kabisa but challenge ya mbele ndiri kasama kwanda zewa Zaka market ya kwa sikofa kiruti yetu sono bashita bangata ngata jalo kubakuta bavula kutiba bakalwezeza abantu babote mange kubakuta bangalo balobela kigabe kambi kwa market ya kama taka sikofa
ndo ya pili mtiko na kwa mbola fataba ya madoelezi nikabona kuli market ma madoelezi aini abatanga babona nikabona baleki abatakule hakuna kwa kuna kuibusa oe utaka kwa mazo kasmoti enzemo hapezo kuna kugula kweza ma farm market ate teza ku masira ngabona neka ukubona ko mulawo kikolo kubale kisila abantu no akisiba kasisi bona hande so mwenchikona alikaze uko nakubona abantu kwa kweza baitelele babaipapata kwa kitendo nezo
ni business ready ma fresh mama market ya Mandanga kono lukumana prepare mwilimu kapa mangata ngata uziele ndio kwa tuso luli Daniel Wotezi 2021 katika kule hakuna zile concept ilikuwa na zile lenze kahari sina mwipo ni market yangu na ezile hali tunaona kwa mama teka maangana masibefo asuli wanka ibanga mangata mashini kono alulu kisesi utafateni mashara nyazwanga akuli rufumane seo solo kona machimbo ya ma business rate kapa ma businessman molu kopani ni basali ni bana kubonza kuli bana abayizimu akuna zebayeza nuna basali kikaho kafera onolitinge fali tapi kono akuna zeleze za kuliweke za kikote kwa tukapelwaluna mashara nyakona kuzwa kono akona alimakona kumolisiwa kono amafanya shirika chalo kubatusu amukaza kama mwali teshinze kapa mwali kogoni mwali market matoilet ate kono mwakuna mamandanga akuna matoilet mwakuluna mwokutinebe matoilet banyi abafite poko muziyeleile akuna pako na kuituseza akuna mukona kukuzawe na yamu nekisali tapikuliwa kwetu nikupaka kutusela kona ukamwala wakuli napeni na pandu yaka kikole kapeni misi kono market amkala mamali market so mali bakazini kuna ni matoilet mane ni mashawa akutapila kono mo kimasho kufela ni matandali tapi akuna kabatisela toilet mashawa akuna maruti baba mufali kolo bai kutokulukuma kapuli kuna ni nebe magrave ai agarikola sabona kono skosa una samandanga asina grave oneba grave ufela kwa kimasha watu watu wengi bawina ngiba fuma na mashenge masije fingiazo kono mko kwa una mandanga usapa yo kitaba yako
One Commandanga sila bila fata ya ma toilet. Moma market mbona yakuli papa program yakuli market aluna yetu na hulu. Na kuyakula mo sila zile. Pakuli ma toilet yakuna moma market ule kisakuli mtu ni mae vale kisa mo yo kimuna kumsali. Mbona ya kwa ma toilet kwa kuliosha makwatini. Hukuma uko pana kwatini ni mao. Kali wakalangi wakutoka ma toilet. Kifande twale lukapila twani. Vabo usiri kubotela bali ona fabati ekuli ape babotele matoleti akuna ndo market yanga na akuna kono alizibita usiri kubotela kakuli italusa kubota ikuketa bayemeli kuli baluyemele kuli dolo bataka ofera kama ufumana kubona
na kina Grace Mubanga ni kumania mwa market ya Mandanga kona moni lexezanga kwanu kama Mandanga ona lipia yo zengata zeza kuli batu basebe bawina silimondili mweka ofera mu mutemu nitemu batu basebe bawota kono likaze waliezali kono batu inge wasili kubira era kalita bazeswana mwa market ya Mandanga luziele hile masila kya mangata mashawa matoilet haluna Fuku inzi fa market ya Mandanga papo luinzi ba janki kiwa bangata babamba kulo muma market ya Mandanga lwa nebe kukomboka na kwerula talo na banyi kakuli majanki kiwa bangata kutoko hala polisi fa nebe katenule mtu hakule hakuna spatila safaka ufukonji kulengana kuya kwa prisoni kamba kuya kwa ilute lipatila nizo na kwandwa toka nebe kaka inyani fela kale kaba lutiselize kuti konji baba eza kulibona basana kufuma na milioni yana kona baba yakwate ntwale lunabo luna baba eza kuliwiketi ya luto kwa milioni muturumu na uplato mazazi ya baba mbasho katuho nayo yakula ya batu haba lulikeleze tukati neke wana baba ipapatya lulikile katata ulikubotela batu inge bawina inge luvila ela konukulwezeza ze luto kwa haba lwezezi ni mina belukabotela fa mulwezeze haiba ndikizoni mina luka mitulula sina mbolu tulela nga baba
kwa kakutala finana matama kawiana kumani ya mwa market ya Mandanga sapili serukupa kwanu kwa msiko walu na uziele hile msiko mtu unaofita fa omubona unatulimbalimba kupila kuya kwa mamulaho wa mandu wa batu kwa miba kolu yako baba mbalu hanela baba mbalu tusa twene rukupa kulikambe mbalu ya hela kwa tenu tulimbalimba kulu msiko oseli wa mtu unasinamu ukona mawinezi samubeli sesitata makubaba wa ipapati baba swanange bomakai ojimi last time wa 2021 ojimi balu sepsize kulu bakalu belami kwa kono mikwakwa wa lusika ibona kono wapefa ojimi baemu chwe rukupa kwa muso mikwakwa babo makai rukupa kubona kuli balwezeze kwa teni polisi Mandanga yoki omutuna aluna polisi kono mbone fo ifita sabulalo aluna spatela luzwanga kwanu kuyako lupima luna baba swanange bona ni kula bipi kono kyo ni pima konji kwa prison kikukwela zazinizazi kimashere chwe yasina malipo kona zeru kupa kwa muso abalwezeze kwa zeru babelanga fali bula kakulo nafa basabata mavoti aluna bataha bambola ni luna balukubamela kono lusaba boti la fera pete kuferile ne moma Mandanga lusaba bona chwe muso aluna ulubone lulata maso bwechechi mane ahulu kono chwe batu babona balukutizeza nga mamula
kotaka matu ntwani bali mko kwa Mandanga kuna utata lukisa kwa Mandanga kichwana nikachekwa na lefu akira matute mfaya yeko na last day waka inde kuna mko kwa Mandanga wao yafasikosa Mandanga huyo uzamamsha watu wakata please wone kote mko kwa Mandanga nisipata sa Mandanga luna na mwe kwa lute wa fasikosa lute na fute ni nisipata kwa Mandanga kwa nisipata ni mndo kwa nafanya lolo mbele mtu yetu Mandanga Betul jani maka akaswa. Unali mbusa. Otherwise waitumia kabisa waka ino.
Malizo kakabutala kina chibambo chiongo. Bizo kwa msiko mutuna ndiwona kwanu kwa mandanga shala. Tabafela lukataza na kwanu kuma toilet. Na kwa pula fala ini lepula mezi bingonga ngafela kumanyanga kulukulu sebezela apeli zizingeli kufa bateni. So lukupa kubabo lukapeta fasi mose kubata kumbalo kubateni matoilet. Elisha.
Maupa manzo se kukwambola kwanu. Wanu matoilet kwanu kuluna. 2 market auna ye biluke niona. 3 mikwa kwa kemingata ngata kuyaneke kwa sikolo kwale. Bamuso kwa sikolo kwa mwende siona wao baba na limutazo zao na zetu na mtu tukapu toke ya sikolo. Haikoni. Sipate la kwana hakuna. Twale lubatamina wasu kipapata una mazose kubela fa ngwe pate ningana mimi na lipate alibonale matoilet abonale mukwako wale bonale
mabiso kakakutela kina Regina Ndalela mama market yona moya mandanga nikera nikina baisi ya peso pilala yana mwamusika moki ku sika waona ubona kuli basheni baona baekera abawise zingana aluna matoilet ulika likubulela bayi bapata hakuna sesi bonala kulikuwa sababu na kweza nilukupa kuba baba yemika baba bakawuna kaufira kuli balu tusekwa teni papa market nibukele ngamo mamandanga kubungata kono hakuna police post yoga kona kumatira batu kambe iteni mwendi nibukele ngane bukakuta mamulao batune bakasa banga kulyalweza chwana ngakaluswala ni kwa kaufira mkwakwa hoya fasiko sauna samandanga kaufira hakuna zezalile ni mwali koloze mukubabamu bafumanya fasiko nani mkwakwa hoya fasiko kuli baba kyaka kaufira bakona kuyange balukuweni ni motaza bona niuna abazi bamusika uli unabazi ulu na matera maloni abasoli kufa lunalo aboni ne utokwa kuli niuna kambe kuluchimbula kwa teni kuli business yao na ihule ngemo ba uliseza kubaba province ama ilikiliti zemu kunani zemu zeba eza zibafumana konolo nalo aboni kwa ziba nyamkaeza apply amwafu mani kona zero kupa kwa muso kumina bashenga una baba yema kumemela una mulubone ni una ba market ya mandanga zero toka pateni kizengata
Mira, happy Monday, I've had such a great time Mamusika Mandanga. It's one of the busiest markets, one of the biggest markets almost in Samungu. That's how we do better Chava, Samusika Mandanga, Baromwe Hande. It was such a great time. Thank you so much for the warm welcome, Mama Chair Lady, Vice Chair Lady. You know, it's been such a great time. This is not the last time until Kaputa happened. And to you, our viewers, thank you so much for being with us, for always watching Velocity TV, on Velocity 125 Facebook, right now. When I say we do not have a woman, thank you so much. You know, don't worry, I'll be back in the next episode. Where do you want me to go? Which area do you want me to visit? Drop in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for being with us. That comes to your streams every Tuesdays in about 21 hours. The questions that we discussed today were that kids all believe you, but I'm and other way to see. Bantu abayipapata wakeka bantu para kusimamieze nime kuchambwe bambozi chaba muzika wamandanga abayipulele express their views because kisonero yamina kufulela it matters of great concern in our communities. In case you have a topic that you would like us to discuss, drop in the comment section down below. Thank you so much. You know, I will go on and on and on and on and on. You know, Kani Makarelo, I'm gonna sing it. If they end up losing the taste, so leave it for that. I'll be back in the next episode. Bye bye. God bless you. Keep watching the Bye.